Hey guys, I'm Karen Singfield. Thanks for stopping back. Today I'm going to make keto lemon pound cake, one of Bruce's absolute favorites. And this is actually the dessert that got me hooked on keto back in 2018. I was like, if you can have lemon pound cake with cream cheese icing, where do I sign up for that diet? I'm in. So let's get started. After every diet, I've been on every imaginable diet. Richard Simmons had this one, you could have cheesecake. I'm like, that one was a good one, but I've been on this one for 70 weeks. So this one you can actually stay on. I'm in. So I got a cup of almond flour. I'm going to use powdered swerve. I'm going to use about 3/4 a cup. This is a half a cup that I'm measuring with. And I will have all the macros for you guys. Just a pin. Baking powder, I'm going to use 2 heaping teaspoons. For my wet ingredients, I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of cream cheese and melt it down. I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of sour cream. I'm going to use 1, 2, 3 teaspoons of lemon juice is what I put in. I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Oh, I love the smell of melted down cream cheese. So I'm just going to mix this together. Just give it a good mix. Put this in with my dry ingredients. Just fold this in. And then I'm going to add my eggs. I'm going to mix the eggs up one at a time so I can see the consistency of how I want the cake to come out. It's 2. Still too thick right now. My 3rd. I know a lot of these recipes call for 8 eggs, but honestly, you guys, I can't see using 8 eggs in anything. Call me cheap, but that's just me. So this will be 4. Four is going to be my limit. I'm trying to keep the macros down, as you know. So that's why I don't want to add more. I don't want to add coconut flour and I don't want to add more almond flour. Looks good. Now I'm going to grease this pan with coconut oil. And I'm going to bake it for about 35 minutes. And just pour it in. Gonna pop it in the oven. Okay, I just peeked in. I set the timer for 35 minutes. Right now the timer says 22. It's starting to get really brown on top, so I'm gonna put a piece of tin foil over the top of it. Okay, it's been 35 minutes. Let's test it. Knife test comes out clean. Oh, it's good. It's good, it's good. We're gonna let it cool. These keto cakes is they do come out sometimes with a little bit of odd coloring like that. Wait till I get it out of the pan and put the icing on. Ah, you're gonna love it. Okay, I'm gonna take it out of the pan. Came off. There we go. This was what started it all for me. This is what started it all. I'm gonna make my cream cheese icing the same that I did, which I'm gonna post here for the banana bread, which came out so good. I'll post that here. And so if you don't want the lemon pound cake with any icing, you can stop watching the video now. If you want to have banana bread, look here. It's so good with the cream cheese icing because it's only a 0.2 net carb the way that I make this icing. So it's just really just a drizzle on top, and it just elevates it so high. Like, super excited, you know this, because it is so good. For the icing, we take a tablespoon of cream cheese in here and melt it in the microwave. An 1/8 cup of powdered swerve. I'm going to use a teaspoon of vanilla. I'm going to use a teaspoon of lemon juice. Oopsie. And that's our icing. Mix it up. This will harden up in a minute while we're waiting for the cake to bake. And then once you put it on the cake, if the cake is cool, let it set up and it'll harden up a bit. Oh, this icing is so good. I could just eat this. You guys, it's so good. So good. I gotta let this cool before I frost it and cut it. I already know it tastes delicious because I make it all the time. I'm just gonna frost it. I think my cousin, she was a flower girl at my wedding, me and Bruce's wedding 27 years ago. She was on this diet and I thought, what is that? I thought, oh honey, Richard Simmons, you got nothing on me. I remember that good diet. Guys, I hope you like it. This is the one that hooked me. This is the one that I said, that fad diet is for me 70 weeks later. Thanks, guys. I'm Karen Singh-Beal. If you like what I'm posting, click to subscribe. I'll catch up with you soon. Take care. There's nobody here to talk to except for you guys. Talking to you. This is the reason. This cake is why I'm on keto. This is it. This is the one that I thought, okay, 40 years of dieting, if I can have cake, lemon pound cake with cream cheese icing on a diet, where do I sign up for this? I mean, where do I sign up for this? I was like, yes, I'm hooked. I'm in. Yep. You had me at lemon pound cake before you gave me cream cheese icing. I feel you.